opportunity to drive the 2023 Ford Maverick. Now you're saying, no, wait a minute, Don.
Wait a minute,
Didn't
Don.
you drive a Maverick
last week
and review it last week? Yes, I did.
You did.
But it was the gasoline-only version.
Oh.
This week, we get to
See,
drive.
Don had gas last
He
week.
did.
I did. This week, we're going to do the
he's
Ford Maverick
charged up.
hybrid. So it comes in 3 trim levels, the XL, the XLT, and the Lariat. I had the XLT front-wheel drive hybrid. Maverick is a small or compact pickup truck. You know, this is a pre-production vehicle, so I don't have all of the information on the window sticker, so they kind of give me here's what it's going to cost. All right. It's all new last year, seats 5. It's a 4-door small pickup truck. Attractive overall design with a non-brand front end. I don't know how else to put that. It doesn't
look like all the other Fords.
No, it doesn't.
And
it doesn't look like the F-150 or the Ranger. Doesn't look like that. High arched wheel openings, integrated hitch with the black bumperette in the middle. It's very different. Versatile bed with lighting and tie-downs back there like a big boy pickup truck should have. What I liked about it, the overall look gets an A grade in my book. I really did like it. What could use improvement? I think that they really need to have an upscale trim option. Now, I know that the XLT is their current upscale, the Lariat actually is their upscale trim level, but I'd like to see it go even further than that because I think that
do a platinum.
Yeah, do a platinum. Anyway, interior highlights, simple but attractive and well-designed dash. It has a very nice console, and the transmission controls are right down there with a knob. Lots of cubbies throughout the cabin. One in particular is the door panel has room for a big, tall bottle like you would have your water in, you know, bigger than a regular water bottle that you'd buy at the 7-Eleven. A liter, I guess. Seating is very comfortable. It's small inside, but user-friendly infotainment screen. It works well. The cargo, it's a small bed, and it kind of stands out the fact that if you stand back on it, you go, man, that bed is really small. Well, it's a small pickup truck.
Yeah.
What I liked about it, the handy storage under the rear seat. Comes with a 2.5-liter hybrid 4-cylinder engine. So it does have a battery pack. It also has 191 horsepower and 155 pound-feet of torque. And it all works through a CVT transmission. I'm leading up to something here, so stay tuned. Tow rating up to 4,000 pounds, depending on the engine and that sort of thing. Haul, 1,500 pounds. You ready?
Yep.
Miles per gallon that I got 37.5 miles per gallon over 340.
Take that, Mike.
Hello, 37.5 miles per gallon. Can you believe that? It's true. It's really. I'll say.
Yeah.
Very smooth. You can't. You don't even know that it's a hybrid. It acts like a regular gasoline motor. What I liked about it, as far as ride and handling, well, it's a little stiff with no load, but it fits for the purpose that it is. It is a pickup truck. So if you're going to haul around your 1,500 pounds and maybe tow 4,000 pounds, then it's going to be stiff in the back.
Yeah.
It's a truck.
Yeah.
Base trim price. Here's another selling point. Base trim price, $25,950.
Wow.
$25,950. Prices tested, $28,895.
That's still great.
I know, it's under 30 grand.
Like 37 miles to the gallon.
There's only really one competitor, and that's the Hyundai Santa Cruz for $25,700.
And that's kind of a modified car truck thing.
Well, yeah, and it kind of goes along with the Honda Ridgeline.
Right.
And the Honda Ridgeline, starting price on that is $38,800.
Uh-oh.
Ford Ranger, on the other hand, is $28,585. So I guess it kind of competes with the Ford Ranger. So you have to decide, you want the Maverick, you want the Ranger. I like that Maverick. I can't believe it, but I do. Why would you like the Maverick, Don? Well, I just told you. Yeah. And the biggest selling point to me, 37.5 miles per gallon.
Yeah.
go for it. All right, let's look at the